Welcome to Beginning Java Data Structures and Algorithms. In this course, we'll cover algorithms, which are step-by-step methods for accomplishing tasks. We'll also cover data structures, which are ways of organizing data so that they can be both accessed and modified efficiently. This course is important because algorithms help programmers save time and give us clarity over the problems we're trying to solve. Algorithms also require a well-organized way to store data so that they can be easily accessed to provide output as per user requirements, which is where data structures prove helpful. There are other online courses that cover either Java, algorithms, or data structures, but it's rare to find these techniques packaged together in one course. This course will work in unison with the text, accommodating and supplementing whatever your learning style or preference of medium of delivery. This course can help programmers in any language write systemic code in Java. If their specialty is not Java, there are numerous pseudocode examples that will help programmers improve their application efficiency. This course is most useful if you have a basic knowledge of mathematics, object-oriented programming techniques, and other object-oriented programming languages, such as C, C++, Python, and of course Java.